So let's kind of distinguish between parameters and arguments really quick. Um, I'm going to write a function, and I'm going to write the function header, def return cat or dog. Actually, let's call this get. I have a bad habit of using return. And let's do this. Let's from random import choice. You haven't seen this yet, but it's pretty straightforward. And we're going to pass in a choice. And it's going to be very simple. We're going to return. Let's not return the choice. Why don't we say if choice is 1, return cat, else return dog. And let's just say our draw from cat or dog is going to be the choice between 1 and 2. Let's say 2. Easy. Let's print the result of get cat or dog on the draw. So that should be pretty straightforward what we're doing there. If I run this, we get a cat, then we get a cat, and then we get a cat, and then we get a dog. Okay, so pretty straightforward. This right here, semantically, we call this a parameter. There's a parameter in the function header, and that parameter is named choice. So that is distinct from the argument when we call the function. We call it by passing in the argument draw. Now, yeah, this is what's the real difference here? I would say the difference is that this parameter is something we define in the function header on line 3, and then when we call the function, we call it on an argument. We pass an argument in. It's semantics, but it's the kind of thing that just try to call it correctly, and no one will ever need to call you out on it and say, oh, that's slightly incorrect. At the end of the day, does it matter? I'm not so sure. But up here, this is the container that is a parameter, and down here, this is an argument that we're passing in during the function call on line 11.